Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ify. Did you know your thumbnail can literally decide whether your videos get clicked or completely ignored? And here is the best part. You don't need a laptop or expensive software. In this video, I will show you how to design eye-catching thumbnails right on your phone, quick and beginner friendly. I used to think you needed Photoshop and a laptop for this, but trust me, once you see how easy this is on your phone, you will never stress about thumbnails again. Let's dive in. First of all, you download your Canva app from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Open it up. Here you are going to click on this plus icon and search for YouTube thumbnail. Here there are a lot of other templates you can use here, but we are looking for YouTube thumbnail. If you can't find it, you can as well type it in the search bar and you will see YouTube thumbnail here. So we'll click on it, and once it opens up, we're going to see a lot of YouTube thumbnail templates that we can make use of. If you're a beginner, our advice is start from making use of either of these templates. They are beautiful templates you can make use of. Just customize it to your style and use it for your thumbnail. But then let's start by going to the background. To select our background, there are options. You can either use a plain color or a gradient for background, but I will be making use of one of these photos we have here. Let me search for a photo that I like. As you're scrolling down, I'm searching for a photo I can use for a background here. Okay, I think I like this. I think I like this classroom vibes, so I'm going to select it here as my background. So as you're seeing this picture now, I would like to kind of blur it out or reduce the transparency so that it fits in as a background image. Okay, so I'm reducing the transparency now. You can also add a color to it, to make it a blended image. Let's see if I can find any color I can blend with this. Okay, I think I'm going to leave this picture this way. Instead, I'll reduce the transparency the more. Okay, that's very okay now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to move to gallery and add my image. So this gallery, I'm going through my gallery now. I'm going to select my picture. Once I select my picture, I add to page, and then I increase the size. I want the picture to be bold. I want it to be visible, even if for mobile viewers on YouTube, I want my thumbnail to be popping. So I make this image bold enough, and then I remove the background. For those who don't have the pro features on their Canva app, they're making use of the free version. I'm going to show you how to remove background. Okay, you open your picture and place your finger on the image for some seconds, and voila, see, you can as well save this image in your gallery, see, without a background. You can make use of this method if you don't have the pro version of Canva, and then just simply add it to your thumbnail. Okay, now I'm going to make some adjustments to this image so that it pops, it looks better than it was. So I'll increase the brightness and adjust the contrasts. Okay, what else? The saturation, I'll increase the saturation, and then okay, I think it looks better now. Okay, I'm also going to add shadows to this. The glow, does it work? Okay, outline, I think I'll go with the glow. Okay, if you click on this glow, you're still going to see more options, either to increase or decrease the size. You can also change the color of this shadow if you want, the intensity as well. So I'm making some adjustments to suit the way I like my thumbnail to be. Okay, trying to adjust the color of the shadow here. Let me see what works for me. Okay, I want something dark but not too dark. I think that's okay. I think it looks good. So I'm going to go back. Next thing, I think I'll move on to adding to my YouTube thumbnail right now. Text. Okay. So I'm going to select text and then go to heading. So I'll be able to edit and write whatever I want to add to my thumbnail. So here I want to write avoid these mistakes in my text. So I'm going to start by writing avoid. I'll increase the size and then I will change the font of this word. Okay, I think I like this font. So I will continue by editing the rest of the words and adjusting it, adding some effects to it, shadows, or outline to make the words pop. So I'm changing the color now. I'm going to add some effects to this word in order to make it pop. Okay, I think I'll go ahead with the outline. You can as well, when you click this outline, you have so many other options to either increase or decrease the thickness. You can change the color of the outline, to however you want it to be. The most important thing is let everything you are going to be adding to your thumbnail, from the image to the background to the text to the elements, let it be bold. Let it be, choose the right fonts, choose the right colors. Let it be something that somebody will see and is not confusing. The person is legible. The person can understand what you are trying to convey from your thumbnail. It's clickable, it's eye-catching. That is the essence of making these thumbnails. Okay, so I'm trying to still get this word avoid to make it pop, to make it look good and bold. So I think I will change the color of this outline. I don't know if this is okay. Okay, I will duplicate this so that I will use the format to edit the other words I want on my thumbnail. So I can change the color of the second word if I want. You can, whatever, even if you're making a duplicate, you can as well change the color of the words. You can change the color of the outline. You can customize this anyhow you want it in Canva. Canva gives you so many options, to design your thumbnail the way you want it to be. So right now I'm going to be adjusting this second word. Okay, I'm choosing shadow for the second word, and I think I will also be changing the color of this shadow. Okay, I think this one works better for me. This one works better. It looks so much better right now. Okay, you can make your thumbnail however you want. You must not follow these steps exactly the way I'm listing it. You can just freestyle, do your stuff. That's why it's your own thing. Make it your brand. Okay, I'm trying to use elements or formula from this second word for this third one. I'm going to reduce the size of this third word so that it enters. Okay, the size is okay now. I'll position it properly. Okay, that is just fine. think it looks much better now. So now, aside adding image, background, text, you can also choose some elements that help to convey your message better through your thumbnail. So I'm going to look for a YouTube icon to my thumbnail. So I go and select YouTube icon and search for it. I think I like this one. I will add this to my thumbnail. Okay, to make this work, avoid these mistakes on YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to select text too and edit my text to the word I want, which is on. Go to heading, select heading, change it to on. Increase the size. I'm going to increase the size and also change the font so that it matches to the rest of the words on my thumbnail. Okay, I'm also going to reposition this to where it's supposed to be before the YouTube icon. Okay, avoid these mistakes on YouTube. Okay, I think I like what I see. This YouTube, if you observe, my face is bold, is bright. The words I'm using, they are not so much on the title, they are not so much on the thumbnail, sorry. Okay, here you can also select any other element you want to add to your thumbnail. You can search for anything you want to add. Here I can search for arrow. See the results. There's so many arrow examples you can use, so many colors, so many styles. You can search for graph. I'm just using this as an example for you to see searches that you can do on Canva and also apply to your thumbnail. As I'm done, I'll go to the share and then download this thumbnail to my mobile device. I'll go to download. So it doesn't take so much time and your thumbnail is ready. See, just within seconds, see the thumbnail is already saved to my gallery. If I exit Canva app and go to my gallery, there I'm going to find my thumbnail, which I can easily see. This is my thumbnail. I can easily add to my videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next